Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to recover your XcelPay wallet. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. If you've recently lost your device or you've currently changed to a new device and you'd like to recover your XcelPay account, then the process is quite easy. Simply open the XcelPay wallet application, and soon after you come across this interface, you will need to tap on Import Wallet. In order to import your wallet, you will need to enter your mnemonic phrases or your private key that you previously backed up. If you don't have your backup phrases with you, then you will lose your wallet forever and your wallet cannot be restored. Simply go and find your backup that you previously made, which is 12-word seed phrases, and paste it inside the enter your mnemonic text box. After entering the correct seed phrases in the correct order, go ahead and enter your wallet's name. You can give your wallet any name and tap on Recover Multi-Coin Wallet at the bottom. Wait for a few seconds, and there you have successfully recovered or imported your XcelPay wallet. So that's how it's easily done. All you need is your backup and you will be good to go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.